Welcome to my channel. Want to set up your Netgear Orbi RBR50? In this video, I'll show you how to complete the Orbi RBR50 setup using Orbilogin.com in just 6 simple steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Connect the Orbi router. Connect your modem to the Orbi RBR50 router using the Ethernet cable provided in the box. Then plug the router into a power outlet and wait for it to fully boot up. Step 2. Power on the satellite. Place the Orbi satellite in the desired location and connect it to power. Wait for the router and satellite to establish a connection automatically. Step 3. Connect your device. Using a phone, tablet, or computer, connect to the default Orbi Wi-Fi network listed on the router label. You can also use an Ethernet connection for setup. Step 4. Open Orbilogin.com. Launch a web browser and enter Orbilogin.com or Orbilogin.net in the address bar. If the page doesn't load, try the default IP address 192.168.1.1. Step 5. Configure Wi-Fi settings. Follow the setup wizard to create your Wi-Fi network name and password. You can also configure guest Wi-Fi, parental controls, and other network settings. Step 6. Complete setup and test connection. Save the settings and allow the Orbi system to restart if prompted. Reconnect your devices using the new Wi-Fi credentials and verify that your internet connection is working properly. That's it. Your Netgear Orbi RBR50 mesh Wi-Fi system is now successfully configured through Orbilogin.com. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Wi-Fi setup and networking tutorials. For instant help, call 1-803-381-0141.